Let's say I'm just hearing about trading and I want to focus on just something, my specific goal. I'll focus on just 5 things. And that 5 things is what I will show you in this video. Any other thing aside these 5 things is not important. So if you're a beginner trader, you should watch this video from now to the end. Don't skip any part. If you skip, then you miss. So basically, if you discover most traders, they are mostly focused on the wrong things at the wrong time. So this video is to help you understand the particular things you need to become a better trader, and that's what I'm going to explain in this video. So in case you're coming across my channel, you just see my face. My name is Isaac Noel, the founder of Net. So I'll see you guys immediately after the disclaimer. Come back. So the first thing on my list here is discipline. Basically discipline. I would have put this at the end of the video and say you should watch the very end of the video because it might look very less and very underrated. But I put this at number 1 because it's just too important. See, you can have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't have that discipline, I promise you, you lose money. And no cap, you will keep losing money. That's the problem. People don't really focus on discipline. And now let me explain something to you guys in a simple term. Discipline is not just about trading. Check your life. Imagine you're that kind of person that says, I won't do something, but you find yourself doing it. In life, you might go score food, but it's not in trading. You will pay for it. You will lose money. So you have to understand that discipline is very important. You have to fix your discipline outside life. The thing that you say you will not do, don't do it. That's how trading is. Just lose a trade and you say you don't want much loss. So you keep opening more trades. Basically, that is it. You don't have discipline. You cannot stop. You cannot decide to stop because you feel influenced by more profit and now you keep opening more trades. That is a problem. Now you should focus more on discipline if you're a beginner. To me, that's one of the first things you should focus on. The second on my list here is risk management. Basically, risk management is also very underrated. If you come online a lot, you hear a lot of people saying something like sell lots. It is just the absence of risk management. Yeah, I understand. The reason why I got inspired to start trading was the flashy lifestyle I saw. But as I got in, I discovered it's not like that. Because now I'm trying to flip my $10 to $1,000, from $1,000 to $1 million. Basically, that's it. I want a Lamborghini too. But the case here is different. It does not work that way. So you should be more focused on protecting your capital than profit. To me, that is it. Be more focused on protecting your capital instead of looking for more profits that will take you to early losses and sometimes poverty. That's where the case of trading and gambling comes in. So you should protect your capital at all costs. That's just it. Use proper risk management and good stop loss. Number 3, mastering one strategy. I understand. Yeah. Sometimes you feel like this is failing. So let me try the other thing. So the moment you keep trying different strategies because there are many strategies in this world. You hear SMC, you hear smart money. Sorry, SMC, smart money is the same thing. You hear SMC, ICT, many more. Falcon bullets. There are plenty. You keep hearing them, and you as a rookie, you think that knowing more will help you, but no. Sometimes the less you know, the better for you. So it's better you focus on one strategy and understand it better than skipping from one place to another to take it to nowhere. I'm sorry to say. So you should be more focused on understanding one strategy than moving from one strategy to another. Because if you move from one strategy to another, you won't be consistent and you won't master any of that. You'll just be a jack of all trades and master of them. So it's better you focus. Market structure. Basically, that is what trading is all about. Market structure, support and resistance, that's it. Basically, that's what you focus on most. Because if you check most other strategies, they are coming from support and resistance, supply and demand, and basically that's what you should not do. Understand support and resistance. If you understand support and resistance, you don't need to go further and further to understand all these SMC and the rest. Just understand support and resistance, market structure, how the market goes up, trend line, everything. That's what you should understand. How the market is built, not how you interpret the market. Understand the market by what you see, not what you interpret on your head. When you see a chart, you should understand that this is where the market is going. How do I partake in it? And that is it. Basically, if you want me to explain market structure for you, drop it in the comment section. I did for now. I will explain this in detail. The last one, this is very important but very underrated. Trading journal. When I talk about trading journal, I know you don't really understand what trading journal is all about. Trading journal is something that you will write why you entered your trade, why you exit, and many more. You are jotting what you took your trades for, why you took those trades, and why you exit. So that is basically what trading journal is all about. If you have a trading journal, you can also have trading rules. Trading rules is something like having a rule like once I don't have a confirmation, I won't take a trade. That's what having trading rules is all about. I know someone that have a rule that says he shall not take in trades without pending orders. He's not going to use market execution to take in that trade. That is a rule. And there are many more rules. As you keep on going through this trading, you will keep understanding. So it's better for you to write your own rules by your own self and follow your rules. The moment you see yourself breaking the rules, that means you don't have that discipline. The moment you see yourself going outside what your rule is all about, that means you know that you are not really ready for trading. So it's better maybe you should go and find a 9 to 5 job or something. So it's better you put in your trading journals and put in your rules so that you can understand this better. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. I know you found this meaningful for you to watch this very end. I know you found it meaningful, so just subscribe, hit the like and subscribe button, share this video to your friends, to those that need it, because plenty people need this video. And I'm done here. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's if you subscribe. Turn on that notification bell too.